4 will distribute the force more evenly. Now I've sprayed this down with WD-40. Shoot it a little bit more. But try and clean up the dirt that accumulates there. But just going to go around with a little bit of force. There we go. Alright, so I got my brand new axle. I have a piece of aluminum to press the ring on. It's probably a bit too long. You probably want the diameter of this to be smaller than it is, because this doesn't really match the inner ring there, but I'm going to give it a try. Now Ford specs the distance from the face of this to the face of the ring. So I'm just going to get a flat edge, or something reasonably flat on there. And try to get a rough measurement. And it looks like I'm about 20 thousandths shy of 1.3 inches, which the Ford spec is 1.25 to 1.35 inches. So this should be good. You can also check to make sure I put the ring on straight.